Hello, my name is Sarah Griffiths. Welcome to my poster on mutualistic coupling between vocabulary and non-verbal reasoning in children with and without language disorder. Recent evidence has shown that language and non-verbal reasoning mutually influence each other's growth during typical development, such that those children who start off with better language skills experience greater growth in non-verbal reasoning skills, and vice versa. In this study, we were interested in seeing whether these mutualistic relationships exist in children with language disorder. On the one hand, we might think that the relationships between language and cognition would be disrupted in language disorder, as some people argue that these disorders can exist in isolation, which would suggest that non-verbal skills are decoupled from verbal skills. However, more recently it's been shown that very few children have selective language disorders, and children with language disorder who do have intact non-verbal ability or have non-verbal ability in the typical range seem to experience a decrease in non-verbal ability over time. And this could be the result of mutualistic coupling leading to reduced growth in non-verbal IQ as a result of poor language. We test whether longitudinal interactions between language and non-verbal reasoning differ between children with and without language disorder, by first attempting to replicate the mutualism model in a more cognitively diverse sample, and then by seeing whether the strength of mutualistic coupling differs in children with language disorder. Data are from the Surrey Communication and Language and Education Study, a longitudinal study of children's language development. In this analysis, we used data from tests of receptive vocabulary and non-verbal reasoning taken when children were in Year 3, Year 6 and Year 8. Latent change score models with coupling parameters showed a good fit to the data and superior fit to models without the coupling parameters, suggesting that we do have mutualistic coupling between language and non-verbal cognition. However, there was no evidence for a difference in strength of these parameters between children with and without language disorder, which indicates that mutualism is intact in these children. Our results suggest that early language disorders have downstream effects on other cognitive abilities, which may explain why selective language impairments are rare. These findings highlight the need to monitor downstream impacts of language interventions on other cognitive abilities.